There's a lot of controversy over the excavation work that is being done at the historical sites in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Now, in the latest, it is Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav who's taken a jibe at the Yogi Adityanath government over the excavation drive which is being done by the Archaeological Survey of India and its team in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav said that now it is the house of the chief minister Yogi Adityanath and there is the shivling beneath this very house. Now this is the official residence that Akhilesh Yadav has been speaking about. Akhilesh said chief minister's residence should also be evacuated to discover the shivling which is beneath the house. He also said digging everywhere is not the solution and it will not end the big problem. The BJP meanwhile has hit back at the Samajwadi Party saying that they will invite Akhilesh Yadav to sing bhajan if shivling was indeed discovered at the chief minister's residence. BJP also highlighted how law and order situation had collapsed under the Samajwadi Party regime and it was only after the Yogi government came to power that peace could be restored in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav's remarks come amid rising tensions that are taking place. Now, a 250-foot deep steep well from 1857 revolt era was being unearthed during the ASI survey in Sambhal. And this after the excavation of the Lakshman Ganj that took place in Sambhal.
जब से खुदाई हो रही है, मुझे कुछ याद आ रहा है। जो लोग कहते थे, उस बात को मैंने उतना सीरियस उस समय नहीं लिया था। अभी कल ही आपके एक पत्रकार मित्र मिले थे, मैंने उन्हें थोड़ा बता दिया है, लेकिन अब सब प्रेस सबको बताना चाहिए। मुख्यमंत्री आवास में भी शिवलिंग है, इसकी भी खुदाई होनी चाहिए। सच में हमारा मानना है, हमारा भरोसा है कि वहां पर एक शिवलिंग है, उसकी खुदाई के लिए हम सब लोगों को तैयारी करनी चाहिए। सरकार के पास जमीन नहीं है, सरकार उद्यम प्रदेश बनाना चाहती है और टारगेट क्या फिक्स किया है कि लैंड बैंक बनाएंगे 1.5 लाख एकर्स। तो बताओ, किसानों को बर्बाद करने के लिए लोग।
आप पुरानी किसी भी चीज को कहीं खो दिएगा, कहीं पे जो पुराने शहर बस गए या पुराने जिले बस गए, वहां कहीं खुदाई होगी तो नीचे आपको पुराने जमाने का कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाएगा। इसलिए खुदाई वो जरूरी नहीं है, जरूरी है उत्तर प्रदेश का विकास। नौजवान के हाथ में आज रोजगार नहीं है, महंगाई से जनता परेशान है। हम दूध दही पे टैक्स दे रहे हैं और सेकंड हैंड कार पे भी टैक्स देने को मजबूर हैं। लहसुन कितने रुपए में मिल रहा है? तो ये वो सवाल हैं जिन सवालों का जवाब भाजपा नहीं देना चाहती, इसलिए खुदाई करना चाहती है।
आपको अभी भी उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य का जो आपका शासनकाल था, आपको याद आता होगा किस ढंग से बहु बेटियों की इज्जत आबरू लूटी जाती थी, हत्यारे सड़क पर घूमते थे, गुंडे माफिया बदमाश आम जनता का जीवन मुश्किल कर दिए थे। उत्तर प्रदेश जनता आप कभी भी समाजवादी पार्टी को माफ नहीं करेगी।
ये तो और सौभाग्य की बात होगी, अगर कोई तथ्य हो दें तो तत्काल जो है जो भी प्रक्रिया विधिक होगी वो होगी। लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री जी ने तो मुख्यमंत्री आवास को वास्तव में मंदिर बना दिया है। वहां पर कोई ये मंदिर से कम मुख्यमंत्री का घर नहीं है। इसलिए अच्छा है अगर आपको पता लग गया है तो बाबा भोलेनाथ, अगर वहां पे भोलेनाथ तो अच्छी जगह पे होते ही हैं, और एक प्रशासक का घर मंदिर से कम पवित्र नहीं होना चाहिए। हमको लगता है कि उनको लगा होगा कि ये पवित्रता के साथ में रहते हैं, इसलिए आवास मंदिर है, यही भाव रहा होगा उनका।
मैं तो कहता हूं कि पूरे धरती में कुछ न कुछ है। 60-70 हजार वर्ष का मानव इतिहास है। कौन सी धरती का ऐसा हिस्सा है जहां रक्त रंजित न हो? जिस तरह से इन्होंने संभल में या देश में शुरू कर दिया है, उससे नाश करेंगे, और जो नाश होगा और जो अखिलेश जी ने चुनौती दिया है स्वीकार करें ना, शुरू करना चाहिए स्वीकार बीजेपी को, खुदाई करें।
My colleague Samarth is now joining me on the story. Samarth, it seems like it is Akhilesh Yadav who's now opened the Pandora's box by claiming that they believe that there is a shivling beneath the official residence of the Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh.
Well, exactly, Aishwarya. As we see, the politics is on in the state of Uttar Pradesh after Akhilesh Yadav's yesterday's press conference, where he claims that a shivling is located inside the Chief Minister residence. That means the place where Yogi Adityanath, the CM of Uttar Pradesh, resides, and that's a big claim by Akhilesh Yadav. Though it's a pure dig at the BJP government even after the things that happened in Sambhal. We see after every day we see the evacuation thing is happening out here. Bavdi, Prithviraj Chauhan has come to light. A lot of temples have been found. So this process is not just limited to Sambhal. We have seen this happening in Muzaffarnagar, Aligarh, Gonda, and also another case has jumped on in the state capital Lucknow. So that's why Akhilesh Yadav has taken that particular jibe. And now Congress party leader Surendra Rajput has even said that if you dig the Delhi BJP headquarters, you'll find the Yudhishthir made Rajsui Yagya temple right there. So these are the claims being made by the Congress party and the Samajwadi party. Though BJP is also hitting back. BJP ministers and MPs are even claiming that Akhilesh Yadav and Azam Khan should also in a way try to dig their homes. They'll also find another shivling around that particular place. While BJP MP Dinesh Sharma is saying that what's wrong in that if there is shivling inside the CM residence. If Akhilesh Yadav have got all these proofs, that he should in a way ask the administration to start the process. We'll also welcome this particular move. Shivling is found. And Dinesh Sharma even said that your CM Yogi Adityanath is also a Sant Mahant in the Gorakshpeet Dham in Gorakhpur. So it's quite visible that he keeps the CM residence just like a temple. So these are the claims being made by the BJP. But it's also worth mentioning here at a time when the SP delegation is moving to Sambhal to in a way provide financial assistance to those who lost their lives in the Sambhal violence. The fresh politics over the shivling claim being made by Akhilesh Yadav has started in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Back to you.
Right, Samaj, my colleague, they're giving us details and also saying that it will be the leaders from the Samajwadi Party all set to give financial assistance to those people who lost their lives when the clashes took place in Sambhal between the police and the protesters who had come out when the survey of the mosque was being done in the city of Sambhal in the state of Uttar Pradesh.